It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be opening up Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly subscription, runs $21 a month, usually includes between 5 and 6, and it's a mix of full and sample size products. This month is actually their birthday month, so I'm hoping it's gonna be extra special. Opening up the box, they always include a wine voucher. It was exciting the first couple of times, now it's just typical. But this is what the box looks like. Very glossy. Can you see that? Look at that. Oh, looks like a freaking birthday cake. And there's a pamphlet included that has all the details as to what comes included this month. So that's a little information right there. Little note to their glossies about the birthday box. And at the back it has their social media information where you can follow them. And when you open it up, it tells you everything that's included this month. They also included a little coupon. Ooh, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. And this is what it looks like. Look at all that tinsel. Well, is this tinsel? No, it's paper. But it's like sparkly paper. Woo! Woo! True soft hair mask. And that's what it looks like. I'm actually not a fan of hair products, if you've been watching my channel. This is not something I'm going to use. This smells okay. There's a seal on it. And since I'm not planning on using it, I'm just not going to open it. But it is vegan friendly and it's a hair revitalizer, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. I mean, this is huge. And this one's $30. Lauren Beauty. It's called the Bright Lights nail polish, and look at all that freaking glitter. It is crazy. And this runs $20, so my nails are bare, so I'm gonna try and play with it, okay? Done. They did include a tip actually, that if you want them to be even, to use a makeup sponge. I do not have a makeup sponge, so this is all you're gonna get. Last month I did have a Glossybox and it included this, which is a fast drying nail spray, and I used it and it works. It actually works. I'm really surprised. I sprayed it on my nails and it dried. So I have my eye makeup all done up. True Glow, and it's an illuminating stick. I love the polka dots on it. It's so adorable. There's a cap on it, so I'll just take that off. It smells okay. Let's see how it illuminates. Ooh, it's not that bad. I don't want to like just jab it on my face. All this work just to ruin it? No, I don't think so. I'm gonna use a brush. No, you're gonna make me do it? Fuck. Yeah, you're gonna have to use a stick. That's not very nice, because it's gonna end up rubbing off your foundation. The stick works great. I like it. I just wish you could use a brush with it. And full size of this is $20. Karl Lagerfeld. Oh, this is pretty fancy. And that's the designer. I'm pretty sure he recently passed away though. It's kind of sad. But that's pretty cool. And it's a lip liner in rosewood. Ooh. I get to try something fancy. Well, I get to try a lot of things fancy, but I wouldn't normally buy anything from him because I'd be like, nope, too expensive. That's the color Rosewood. His name on it, it's like on my skin. Oh, that looks really light. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not a fan. It's too light for me. I'm like so annoyed. What the hell? So that is just the lip liner. It's definitely really bright. And obviously I can't write very well because it's all over my lips. Actually, do I even have to use a lipstick? I could just use like a lip balm. Run this bad boy out. Oh wow. I kind of like it just on its own. I could do it. I could dig it. I could dig it. Yes, Karl. Yes, Karl. And it actually goes with the eyeshadow I put on too. That's awesome. Things that make me go, yes, yes. This is $29, so this is a $30 lip pencil. See, this is why I wouldn't have bought it in the first place. But I'm glad I get to try it. It's a lovely color. It's time for bed. Emma Hardie, and it's a Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. There's a seal on it, which is a good thing. Shimon. Shimon. Oh, wow. Okay. It has a really nice clean scent. So I tried the Moringa Light Cleansing Gel and it sucks. I am not a fan of this. I rubbed the gel on my face dry because it says you can. It felt like it was working, but when I went to rinse my face, there was still makeup on my face. Did it again. Went to wipe my face down. Makeup is on the towel. Like, I'm not Kylie Jenner. This is not my move. You know, I'm not a fan. And there's not a lot in the sample. Like, yeah, like one more try and I'm out of this thing. But that's it. That was everything in my Glossy box. If you're interested in signing up for them, I'll leave a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.